Crunchified Clean friends, here are my 5 tips for having a nice, clean, and organized kitchen pantry. Number 1, expired foods. Get rid of any foods that are expired. Take a day off to go through every single item of food in your pantry and look at the dates. If it's expired, get rid of it. If it's soon to be expired, use it first. For example, if it's January 10th when you're doing this project and something expires in March, make sure you bring that can forward so you can use it first before it expires. Second of all, use the expired ones first. So when you are organizing your cans or your boxes in bins, put the soon to be expired ones first. So that March can will be first. And then if there's a can that's going to expire in December of the same year, put that towards the back so that you still have more time to get to it. Third, use bins and boxes for storing the same items. For example, beans can all go in one bin. Pastas can all go in one box. Rice can all go in one box. You want to organize like items together. Starches, soups, liquids, sauces. Having everything organized and everything in its place will make it easier to find. And you know how much you have of something that's left. You know how much you have left of it. Number 4, forward facing. Make sure all the labels and boxes and photos are facing forward so you can easily see what you have. And number 5, the most used items should go eye level shelf. The ones you don't use as much can go on the bottom or on the top. But the ones that you use the most, you want it easy to reach at eye level. Crunchified Clean. I'd love to hear how you organize your kitchen pantry, so comment down below.